Investing in the stock market can be exciting and rewarding. It offers the potential for significant returns. High-growth stocks in particular are attractive to investors. These stocks belong to companies experiencing rapid expansion. They often outperform the overall market. This makes them highly sought after by investors seeking substantial profits. Imagine finding a company on the verge of a breakthrough. Think about the potential gains if you had invested in Apple or Amazon early on. High-growth stocks offer this possibility. They provide an opportunity to be part of the next big success story. However, identifying these stocks early requires knowledge and skill. This exploration of high-growth stocks will equip you with the tools for success. We will delve into fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and industry trends. Understanding these aspects is crucial for spotting companies poised for exponential growth. Join us as we uncover the secrets of identifying high-growth stocks. We will provide you with insights and strategies to make informed investment decisions. Identifying high-growth stocks early is like finding hidden treasure. It can lead to substantial profits. These stocks often operate in niche markets. They might be overlooked by mainstream investors. This presents a unique opportunity for astute investors to capitalize on their potential. Early identification allows you to enter before the stock price skyrockets. Imagine getting in on the ground floor of a company like Tesla. Their innovative electric vehicles disrupted the automotive industry. Early investors reaped the rewards. However, finding these hidden gems requires careful analysis and research. We will delve into fundamental and technical analysis techniques. These methods will help you uncover promising investment opportunities. By understanding the principles of early identification, you can gain a significant advantage. You'll be able to spot companies poised for explosive growth. This knowledge empowers you to make informed investment choices and potentially achieve substantial returns. Let's dive in. Fundamental analysis is essential when looking for high-growth stocks. It involves evaluating a company's financial health and performance. By examining key financial ratios and indicators, investors can gain insights into a company's growth potential. One crucial aspect is revenue growth. Look for companies consistently increasing their revenue year over year. This indicates a strong demand for their products or services. Additionally, pay attention to earnings per share or EPS growth. It reflects the company's profitability. Another important factor is the company's debt level. High debt can hinder growth and increase financial risk. Furthermore, assess the management team's quality. A strong and experienced management team is crucial for navigating challenges and driving growth. By thoroughly analyzing these fundamental factors, investors can identify companies with solid growth potential. Remember, fundamental analysis provides a foundation for making informed investment decisions. It helps you separate companies with genuine growth prospects from those that might be overhyped. While fundamental analysis helps identify promising companies, technical analysis helps time your market entry. It involves studying historical price and volume data to identify trends and patterns. Technical analysts use various tools and indicators to make investment decisions. One common tool is moving averages. They smooth out price fluctuations, making it easier to identify trends. Another important concept is support and resistance levels. These are price levels where a stock has historically struggled to break through. Technical analysis is not about predicting the future. Instead, it provides insights into market sentiment and potential price movements. By understanding technical signals, investors can time their entry and exit points more effectively. Combining technical analysis with fundamental analysis can significantly enhance your investment strategy. It allows you to identify promising companies and enter the market at an opportune time. Remember, technical analysis is a valuable tool for investors seeking to maximize their returns. Section 5. Riding the wave. Spotting industry trends. Investing in high-growth stocks is about identifying companies poised for success. Recognize broader industry trends. Industries don't grow in isolation, influenced by technology, regulations, and consumer behavior. Renewable energy is a prime example. Companies like Adani Green have grown due to clean energy focus. Information technology is another opportunity. TCS has outperformed due to digital demand. Stay informed about trends for success. Section 6. The winning formula. Fundamentals, technicals, and trends. Successfully investing in high-growth stocks requires a holistic approach. Combine fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and an understanding of industry trends. This powerful combination provides a comprehensive framework for making informed investment decisions. By combining these three elements, you can significantly increase your chances of identifying and capitalizing on high-growth stocks. Stay informed, stay adaptable, and never stop learning. Section 7. Your journey to stock market success starts now. In conclusion, identifying high-growth stocks early can be highly lucrative. By understanding the principles of fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and industry trends, investors can make more informed decisions. Remember, investing in the stock market carries inherent risks. Thorough research, careful analysis, and a long-term perspective are crucial for success. Stay updated with market trends, company news, and economic indicators. Continuously educate yourself to navigate the complexities of the stock market effectively. The journey to stock market success begins with a single step. Start by implementing the techniques discussed today. Look for companies with strong growth potential, analyze their financials and technicals, and consider the broader industry landscape. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, discipline, and a long-term vision are your allies in this exciting endeavor. Section 8. Unlock exclusive insights and resources. Want to delve deeper into the world of high-growth stocks? Subscribe to our newsletter for exclusive insights, expert analysis, and actionable investment ideas. Our team of experienced analysts continuously scours the market for the next big winners. We provide you with the knowledge and tools to make informed investment decisions. Subscribe now and receive a free ebook, The Ultimate Guide to High-Growth Stock Investing. This comprehensive guide provides in-depth strategies, case studies, and practical tips to help you succeed in the stock market. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Join our community of like-minded investors and embark on your journey to financial freedom.